Hi guys, here show you how to unfold this surface here, and this is actually a twisted surface here. So just a moment here, let me rotate it here. Yeah, okay. So it's very easy to unfold this surface. First, install the software from our website, and then load the plugin to your machine here. So if you type upload here, and then you can see click content, and then you need to add the plugin that for 2018 I use it for this software. I use AutoCAD 2018, so you need to load the 2018 plugin. Just install the software and load this plugin to AutoCAD, and then after you pay the license, and then you can just activate the license, and then you can use the software to unfold these guys here. So just issue the command unfold surfaces, choose this one here, and then they'll ask you to pick the surface here. So in this case, you have multi-surface you want to unfold together. This is actually the rule surface, so that's why you can unfold the multi-rule surface together. For this one here, you just select this one here, select this surface, and then rotate it here, and then select this one, and select this one here. There's 4 pieces, and then you hit return, and that's it. So then you see here, this is actually the unfold result here. So the length should be, you can verify here the length here, how many, this one here is 166, this one, yeah, so it should be exactly the same here. It's just verify yourself here. And we move this one, we just move this up and move this up, and then we follow the inside surface here. So just go here, and then you can exactly the same way here. So and unfold surfaces, and then you select this one here and select this one, and then you have to use the shift key here if you want to select multi-surface here, and that's it. So you see here, that's what inside the surface. So you hit return, and then you get the result here. It's exactly the same here. So you see here, yeah, this is actually the both unfold result here. And let me verify here the length here. So you can see here, this is actually 1282, this one here 1600. It's a little bit less than the outside one, but anyway, it's very simple here to unfold this surface here. So if you have any question, please show me an email. Thank you. Bye.